Hey guys, Mr. Sontag here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a song called Ode to Joy by Ludwig van Beethoven. This is from his Ninth Symphony, and this is a really great, easy beginner song to play on the piano. The way that the music is worked out for this simple version, a lot of the notes are repeated, a lot of the patterns are repeated. So you have line 1, 2, and 4 are almost exactly the same, and then line 3 is kind of like a B section. So I'm gonna play through it all the way, and then I want to take a look at each measure and each line individually and help you guys figure out how to play it. Now for this song, you really are only gonna need 5 notes, C, D, E, F, G. That's why it's a great beginner song, because it starts in C major right here with your thumb on C. So find 2 black keys and bring your thumb down to C, directly to the left, okay? And so you're gonna play starting on the letter E with your 3rd finger like this. E, E, F, G, okay? So you play E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E again, D, D, okay? And we're using a dotted rhythm there. So we have E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D. What makes this song so great for beginners is that a lot of the moving between notes is by steps. We move by steps a lot in this song, which makes it really easy. The second line is almost identical. They just changed the last 3 notes. So listen, you have E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E. All that was the same. Now you're gonna change your last notes to D, C, C. Okay? So all you're doing is changing the last measure of those 2 lines. So line 1 and line 2 are almost identical. Line 3 is a little bit different. Each measure has its own kind of different flavor here. So for the 3rd line, you're going to start with D, D, E, C. D, D, E, C. Next is going to be D, E, F, E, C. And that's the only time, this is the only line of music where you're going to need some quick 8th notes like that. So D, E, F, E, C. The 3rd measure of the 3rd line sounds like this. D, E, F, E, D, C, D. And you're actually going to play that G with your left hand. I'll show you in just a second. And then your last line of music is E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. It is exactly identical to the 2nd line of music, which makes this another reason why this is such a great, easy song for beginners who are just learning the piano. So now that we've done the right hand, which is the melody, let's take a look at the left hand music. Pretty much the left hand just alternates between 2 notes, a C and a G. So I'm gonna just use my thumb for C, and you can just use your pointer finger or your middle finger. You can actually use any other finger, but I'll just use my middle finger for that, G. And you're playing whole notes. So as your right hand is playing the melody, your left hand is really just keeping the harmony together by using the single root note of the chords, like this. It adds a much more full sound to the melody when you have those notes in those lower notes in the bass. So here we go. We're going to play all the way through the left hand, C, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Now you have half notes, G, C. And now for the 3rd line of music, we're on the 3rd line, measure 9. We're gonna play G, 2, 3, 4, stay on G, 2, 3, 4, G again. Last time G, and you're gonna jump up to this higher G, and then go back to C. C and G and C. So the left hand is very easy, as you can see, guys. So now that you have the right hand and the left hand down individually, I want you to practice playing the whole thing together with both of your hands together. Here we go. I'm going to do it with you. 1, 2, ready, go. There you have it. Ode to Joy by Ludwig van Beethoven. I hope you had fun learning how to play Ode to Joy on the piano today. I hope you're having a great day. Remember to wash your hands before and after you play the piano, and I'll see you next time.